Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix troubleshoot missing messages or matches on POF. So now let's get started. If you are not seeing your messages or matches on Plenty of Fish POF, firstly, check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. After this, try restarting the app. Completely close the app and restart it again, and it may fix the problem. Another thing is check for updates. Make sure that you are using the latest version of POF. Go to your Play Store and search for POF. And if you see any updates, simply update the app. Last but not the least, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. But if the problem continues, simply contact POF support. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.